Wheelcats. Make some noise if you are here for the Wakey Wheelcats. Okay, and make some noise if you're here for Leeds Roller Derby. There we go, so this is the first game of bracket number 2. 30 minutes, most points wins. On the shine line for Leeds, we have Little Whippet, and we have Cat and Bomb for the Wakey Wheelcats. Whippet going around the outside, Cat and Bomb going up the middle, being held at the moment, but Little Whippet going towards the start of the pack. This is a very, very thin pack at the moment. But some great blocking from both teams at the very start of this, both of them being held to a standstill. But Little Whippet goes around the outside, picking up lead jam for Leeds. And Little Whippet does it in style, getting an extra 5 points for Leeds. In case you want to wear your host. Oh! Almost with the apex jump, but the cut track penalty was given, unfortunately. That means it is now a power jam for the Wakey Wheelcats. It's the opening jam, and we've already had an apex jump attempt, so that's a precedent. But Cannonball being held to a standstill. And a star pass has been completed for the Wakey Wheelcats. Star pass completed. Your new champion for the Wakey Wheelcats is 209 Sheer Carnage. And Power Jam is over for the Wakey Wheelcats now as Smartful Dodger gets back onto the track. But goes up the inside. Picking up 4 points for Leeds there. And as Little Whippet was sent to the penalty box, they will have to do the full 2 minutes there. But it is a very strong opening. After the first jam, Leeds lead 11-4. And on shot line for Leeds, we have Smartful Ultra. And we have Whack Ellie Welch. Smartful going from side to side. Welch trying to go up the middle, using her power to get through. It is excruciating to try and get through this. You use a lot of core strength when you're going up against a pack. But Smartful going around the outside. Feeling out these blockers for Wakey Wheelcats. And it pays off. Smartful takes lead jam for Leeds. Smartful going around. And Wakefield have once again completed a star pass. So with the star pass complete, we have Charmar Superstar jamming for Wakey Wheelcats. And Smartful for Leeds Roller Derby. And Smartful goes up the inside on one skate, picks up 5 points for Leeds Roller Derby. Wakefield making their initial pass with the help of a star pass. Charmar Superstar, but the jam gets goal before any points can be gained. So on the jam line for Leeds Roller Derby, in white we have Grief Lightning. And we have Seasick for Wakey Wheelcats in the blue. Grief Lightning going up the inside, gets knocked to the inside, but picking up lead jam for Wakefield is Seasick picking up their first lead jam of the game. Tamsin hot on the, Grief Lightning hot on the trail. Seasick skips up the inside but gets met with all 4 of the Leeds jammers. A little tumble to the outside there from Grief Lightning will be recycled to the back of the pack. And skipping around the outside, Seasick picks up 4 points for Wakey Wheelcats. There we go, Grace Ventura helping out Grief Lightning as much as possible there, making the path easier, clearing shot. Seasick powers through the outside, gets knocked, gets recycled back to the track, and calls the jam before Tamsin can pick up any of the points there. Picking up the points now, it's 25-12 in favour of Leeds. So on this jam line we have Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby and Cats and Bomb for the Wakey Wheelcats. But Smartful, Little Whippet picks up the lead jam for Leeds. Catamon being held. Oh, Little Whippet makes light work of the pack there, skipping around the outside. But Catamon goes up the inside, making their initial pass. Cats and Bomb, one of 2 Wakey Wheelcats players with cat-themed names. But Little Whippet calls the jam before any more points can be conceded. Little deliberation here from the refs just to make sure that the points are awarded properly. It's 33-14 in favour of Leeds. On the jam line we have Whack Ali Welch for the Wakey Wheelcats in the blue. Oh! Now we have Smartful Dodger picking up lead jam almost immediately there for Leeds Roller Derby. But Welch is hot on the trail. Smartful going around the outside. And calls the jam before Wakey Wheelcats can make too much of an impact there. Ewan Stevens, both of them picking up 3 points there. 36-17 in favour of Leeds. This is only a half game, so just 30 minutes and it's all over. So every point and every jam matters. On the jam line we have Seasick for Wakey Wheelcats in the blue. And Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby. Both of them getting stuck right in there with the pack. But Seasick going around the outside. Whippet goes up the middle, shimmies their way through. Oh! Leaves them in the dust there. And that was quite an energetic jam for the referees. So on the jam line we have Cats and Bomb for the Wakey Wheelcats and Smartful Dodger for Leeds Roller Derby. And I think we've got a chair malfunction over in the penalty box. But that's okay. Oh. There we go. The referees just make sure that everything is all well in the penalty box before we begin the game again. Calling an official timeout. Okay, so we go. And one of the Wakey Wheelcats starting the jam in the penalty box there, just to make sure that it's all even Stevens. So we've got 2 in the box for each teams. Very light pack, but equal, as it were. So we have Cannonball for the Wakey Wheelcats and Smartful Dodger for Leeds Roller Derby. The Smartful Dodger will be recycled to the back of the pack. Cannonball also recycled to the back of the pack. A lot of big hits on there. Smartful going way out on that one. Bloody heck, will be recycled to the back of the pack as well, as will Cannonball. And it looks as though it's one-on-one with Peril Street. There we go, lead jam has been picked up by Cannonball. With Smartful hot on the trail. And there we go, Cannonball engages with the pack before realising that there is only just one blocker on track for Wakey Wheelcats there and calls the jam. Again, for free in that jam in favour of Leeds Roller Derby. So it's 40 points to Leeds, 19 to the Wakey Wheelcats. We're about a third of the way through the game at the moment. Reminder that this game is only 30 minutes long. Every point and jam matters. On the jam line we have Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby and Seasick for Wakey Wheelcats. Little Whippet takes a tumble there to the inside of the track. So will be recycled to the back. Seasick going almost one-on-one against the Leeds, but goes through the middle, picking up lead jam for the Wakey Wheelcats. Little Whippet hot on the trail. But Seasick goes straight for the inside of the tripod formation there from the blockers and calls the jam before Little Whippet can't get any points in there. (43-21) in favour of Leeds at this current juncture. On the jam line we have, who do we have? We have Cannonball for Wakey Wheelcats. And Smartful Dodger for Leeds Roller Derby. Smartful ducking and diving around the outside. Gets recycled to the back there a little bit. Oh no, goes for a quick re-entry, but again gets knocked to the outside, picking up lead jam for Leeds Roller Derby. Cannonball just pops a toe out of bounds, so we'll have to re-enter the track. Oh! Smartful making light work going up the inside, picking up even more points for Leeds Roller Derby. Running away with the lead at the moment. And Wakey Wheelcats have completed another star pass. I believe that's their third one of the game as Chalmar Superstar puts on the jam helmet for Wakey Wheelcats. Jam gets called before she make anything out of that one there. 30 points in it, lead extending 51-21 in favour of Leeds Roller Derby as we just about hit the halfway mark. On the jam line for the Wakey Wheelcats we have Wakely Welch and Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby. Little Whippet goes around the outside. Oh, goes straight around the outside, picking up lead jam for Leeds Roller Derby almost immediately. Wakely Welch goes to the inside, picking up their initial pass. It's a very fast moving jam considering, but there we go, looking to... And they're okay, there we go. Little Whippet there, calling the jam there before any more points can be conceded against. Just picking up 1 point in that jam, but every point matters in this 30-minute game. First game of the second bracket. Winner each bracket goes through to the final. Grief line in on the jam line for Leeds Roller Derby, taking her run up. And that's for C6 on the line for Wakey Wheelcats in the blue. Grief line in goes up the inside, picks up lead jam almost immediately for Leeds Roller Derby. That was well earned. Ooh, and a bit of jam around jam there with C6. Still on their initial pass. Tamsin trying to get their way through there. They are in a 4-blocker formation here. Well, manages to make it through. Picking up the 5 for Leeds Roller Derby and calls the jam before C6 can pick any up points there. On the line we have Cannonball for the Wakey Wheelcats. Smartful Dodger for Leeds Roller Derby. Just over the halfway point now, Leeds in the lead with 57 to 21 to the Wakey Wheelcats. Both of them taking a big run up there for this one. Ooh, it stops in their tracks almost immediately, but that does not stop Smartful Dodger, who picks up lead jam by jumping up the inside nice and quick there. Cannonball gets recycled to the back of the pack, but finds a way through on the inside line, making their initial pass. Both jammers in point scoring positions at this juncture. Smartful going from side to side, ducking and weaving, but goes up the inside, picking up further points for Leeds and calls the jam. Well, Cannonball can gain any points there. And on jam line we have Grief line in for Leeds Roller Derby and Wakey Welch for Wakey Wheelcats. Being held from the front. Welch being held here in a free wall, but manages to push it along. Quite a lot of effort into that. Post at the front there with a little bit of help from one of the blockers there. And Tamsin picks up lead jam for Grief Lightning picks up lead jam for Leeds Roller Derby. And Wakey Wheelcats have completed a star pass. Oh, Grief Lightning making light work of the pack, going up the inside. And once again, the star pass from Wakey Wheelcats, but jam gets called before any points can be scored from that. I think that's their 4th of the game so far. On the jam line for Wakey Wheelcats we have C6 and Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby. C6 skips up the outside, sorry. Whippet goes on the in. Being held by this really impressive 4-wall here from Leeds Roller Derby. But Smartful Dodger goes past one, goes past them all. Oh my goodness. What a lead jam! Little Whippet goes through all of them. And again goes up the inside. Took them all on possibly multiple times there. Blimey heck. Here we go, Whippet goes around the outside, gets caught in a 3-wall now. We'll see some incredible blocking here from the team there. Ooh. But Little Whippet gets pushed to the inside. Almost accidentally takes out C-Stick as well. There we go, Little Whippet. I think she might have got the wind knocked out of her a little bit, but she is back on her feet. Or skates, I guess. On the jam line we have Cannonball for the Wakey Wheelcats and Smartful Dodger for Leeds Roller Derby. Cannonball goes around the outside. Smartful going up the in. Well, there, both jammers picking apart this defence now. Smartful skips up the inside, picking up lead jam once again for Leeds roller derby. Callaghan gets shoved out of bounds there, but re-enters the track almost immediately. And up the inside, making the initial pass there for Wakey Wheelcats. And Smartful calls the jam there for fancy chances against Wakey Wheelcats 4-wall. Recently now, 75-22 in favour of Leeds. The score at the moment with just around 10 minutes left to go. On the jam line we have Wakey Welch for the Wakey Wheelcats, number 1, and Grief Lightning, number 111 for Leeds Roller Derby. Oh, but Grief Lightning joins the blockers here to keep Wakey Welch away there before engaging with the opposition there. Well, Wakey Welch skips up the inside, picking up the lead jam for the Wakey Wheelcats. As Grief Lightning gets recycled to the back of the pack. Oh, big hit there to Wakey Welch. Wakey Welch gets recycled to the back of the pack, to the outside. Cole Reckless gets sent to the penalty box. And Grief Lightning goes to the inside. Oh, it's 1-on-1 at the front of the pack. A very spread out pack. There we go, Grief Lightning. Goes ahead. So Welch goes up the inside. And calls the jam. Wheelcats picking up 5 points in that one there. 75-27 in favour of Leeds Roller Derby. And on the jam line for the Wakey Wheelcats we have Carnage and Smartful Dodger on the line for Leeds. And the officials have just called a timeout. Just some penalty box management going on there. And I believe Peril Street has been fouled out of the game. Awful shame. Well, back to the action now as Carnage goes up the middle, picking up lead jam for the Wakey Wheelcats. Smartful Dodger hard on the trail. Oh, it just skips up the inside. Carnage picking up a cool 4 points there for the Wakey Wheelcats. Increasing their total to 31. So it's 31-75 in favour of Leeds Roller Derby. It's about 6 minutes left in the game. On the jam line we have Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby and Seasick for Wakey Wheelcats. Both of them opting for a run-up here. But Seasick, oh, just skips up the inside, picking out lead jam for Wakey Wheelcats. Smartful gets recycled to the back of the pack. Still on their initial pass there. Seasick skipping around the outside, being held by an impressive 3-wall here from Leeds Roller Derby. Trying to power up the middle of that one. But calls the jam before any more energy is expended. Again, trying to go face to face with the free wall, very, very tiring. On the jam line for Wakey Wheelcats, we have Whack Ellie Welch. And we have Grief Lightning for Leeds Roller Derby. Just 5 minutes remaining in this game. Grief Lightning goes up the middle. Oh, but skips around the inside, picking up lead jam for Leeds Roller Derby. Whack Ellie Welch being sent to the penalty box. This is now a power jam for Leeds Roller Derby. Looking to increase their lead as much as possible. With just 3 games in each bracket, odds are the finalists for each bracket will come down to how many points are scored. So this is where Leeds are hoping to monopolise there. Grief Lightning calling the jam. So this will start as a power jam for Leeds Roller Derby. But Grace Ventura is in the penalty box for Leeds Roller Derby, so slight defence advantage here to Wakey Wheelcats, but it is a power jam for Leeds. There we go, Smartful goes round the outside, goes up the inside. Goes one-on-one, goes for a juke, but it goes right into the shoulder there. Oh my word, this is chaos, isn't it? Bloody hell. There goes Smartful, goes up the inside, gets bumped to the inside of the track. Has to go back on there. Power jam is now over with the re-emergence of Whack Ellie Welch from the penalty box. Grace Ventura disrupting the defence of Wakey Wheelcats there, helping Smartful on her way. Skipping down the outside, just on great toe-stop work here. Just managing to keep her toes in bounds there. Smartful Dodger picks up lead jam going up the inside for Leeds Roller Derby. Some big hits there. Oh, and takes them all on Smartful Dodger. Living up to her name there. As Whack Ellie Welch is still being held by Kerrison here. And there we go, they have completed a start pass. Wakey Wheelcats have completed a start pass to right hook Brook. He's now jamming for the Wakey Wheelcats. Initial pass has been done. And Smartful Dodger calls the jam. So the scores as we're coming into the close of the game here. Leeds Roller Derby 85, Wakey Wheelcats 33. Just over 2 minutes left in this game. On the jam line we have Cannon Bomb for the Wakey Wheelcats. And Little Whippet for Leeds Roller Derby. Slight advantage to Wakey Wheelcats on this one, as there is a Leeds blocker. Grace Ventura in the penalty box for Leeds. But Little Whippet gets recycled to the back of the pack. And again, both of them being held very well here, but Little Whippet leads them in the way. It's Cannon Bomb emerges ahead as the lead jammer. Little Whippet gets recycled to the back of the pack on the initial pass there. Cannon Bomb goes around the outside, finds no luck, will be recycled to the back of the pack, goes up the middle, and up the inside. A bit of interference from her defense there. But again, recycled to the back of the pack. Great blocking in this jam. And there we go, Little Whippet has made it through for their initial pass. Cannon Bomb down to the knees, but back on their feet almost immediately. Look at that, all 3 of them just on it. There we go, goes through there, on the inside there for the 5 points for Wakey Wheelcats. And same for Little Whippet. And gets knocked to the outside there, calls the jam just before the end. Natural conclusion. And as we go into what will surely be the last jam of the game, Leeds Roller Derby, 89. Wakey Wheelcats, 39. On the jam line for Leeds, we have Grief Lightning. And we have Donatello for the Wakey Wheelcats. I believe it's Donatello's first jam of the game. Here we go. Samsey going up the inside, going straight. Sorry, Grief Lightning going up the middle. Manages to get through a little bit. Both of them being held very well. But Grief Lightning will be recycled to the back of the pack. Goes up the inside. And unfortunately, Grief Lightning has been sent to the penalty box for a cut track penalty for trying to go over the inside there. Almost. And both of them were in there. Donatello. This is a power jam for Wakey Wheelcats. Oh, and goes around the inside. Goes past 1, 2, and all. Picking up the initial pass there for the Wakey Wheelcats. And Grief Lightning has re-entered the track. Donatello going the inside. With both jammers being sent to the penalty box, this jam will go the full 2 minutes. So they cannot call it off. They will have to go to the conclusion of this jam. As both of them get recycled to the back of the pack after being bumped to the inside. We've got quite a spread out pack at the moment there, but oh, and a big hit to the inside there. Palmer superstar from Wakey Wheelcats. And Grief Lightning, making the initial pass there. Donatello goes up the inside. This is pandemonium. What the heck. Donatello going up there. Goes on the outside, goes up the end, up the middle. And that will be it for this game. So just waiting on the official score here, but I think we're safe to say that this one has gone in the favor of the home team. And there it is, the final score. Leeds Roller Derby, 93. Wakey Wheelcats, 49.